Imagine if China had a fighter jet that could take to the skies from an aircraft carrier, confuse enemy radars, and then deliver powerful payloads right into the heart of enemy defenses. What if this jet was designed specifically to take on the might of the US Navy? What if this plane was called the J-35 Flying Shark? Today, we're going to dive deep into this futuristic war machine, exploring its planned specifications, mission capabilities, and how it fits into China's grand plan for regional dominance. Are you ready to learn about the shark that can't be seen? Let's get started. The J-35 Flying Shark is one of China's most ambitious fighter aircraft projects ever undertaken. Developed as part of the nation's growing commitment to achieving air superiority, this cutting-edge jet represents a quantum leap in Chinese aviation technology and tactics. At first glance, the J-35 looks every bit the part of a formidable fighter jet, with its sleek lines and advanced design. It's a true testament to Chinese engineering prowess. But what S under the hood that really makes this plane a force to be reckoned with? The J-35 is a derivative of the FC-31 Falcon, a twin-engine stealth multi-role combat aircraft that first took to the skies in 2016. The FC-31 was developed specifically as a carrier-based stealth fighter, optimized for naval operations. This marks a significant shift in Chinese military strategy as the J-35 is poised to become the nation's first carrier-capable stealth fighter. This capability will allow China to project military power far beyond its own territorial waters, opening up new possibilities for defense and deterrence. When we talk about the J-35's design, we're really looking at a marriage of modern stealth shaping and aerodynamic refinement. The aircraft features a twin-engine layout with canted vertical stabilizers, a wide Delta-style wing configuration, and a chiseled nose. All of these elements contribute to its radar-deflecting profile. The overall geometry is meticulously engineered to reduce radar cross-section from multiple angles, a crucial requirement for any fifth-generation stealth platform aiming to operate in contested or highly monitored airspace. But the J-35 is not just about being unseen. It's also about being adaptable. The aircraft's retractable refueling probe signifies its readiness for extended-range missions, reducing the need for mid-air refueling and enhancing its operational flexibility. Furthermore, the inclusion of folding wings is a clear indication of its intent for frontline naval deployment. These features are tailored to meet the demands of carrier deck operations, ensuring the J-35 can fit snugly aboard China's new generation of aircraft carriers, like the Type 003 Fujian. Speaking of the Type 003, the J-35 is being developed with the primary goal of equipping this very carrier. The Type 003 Fujian is a 75,000-ton aircraft carrier currently under construction in Shanghai. Once operational, it will join the Liaoning, the first aircraft carrier built in China, and the Type 001 Shandong, marking a significant step up in China's naval capabilities. Underneath the J-35's sleek exterior lies a robust power plant system. While exact specifications remain classified, it's widely believed that the J-35 will eventually be powered by indigenous WS-19 engines. These engines offer not only enhanced thrust and reliability over earlier prototypes, but also the potential for supercruise. That's the ability to fly at supersonic speeds without the need for afterburners. This capability is a hallmark of advanced fighter jets, allowing for greater speed and maneuverability in combat. For the J-35, supercruise is expected to be a standard feature, ensuring it can hold its own against the most advanced fighter jets in the world. In terms of dimensions, the J-35 is expected to follow closely to the FC-31's blueprint, boasting a length of approximately 62 feet, a wingspan of around 38 feet, and a height of about 16 feet. This compact size is ideal for carrier operations, allowing multiple jets to be deployed quickly and efficiently. When it comes to empty weight, the J-35 is projected to come in at around 18,000 kilograms and an estimated maximum takeoff weight of 24,000 kilograms. This distribution of size and weight ensures optimal performance, balancing agility with endurance and payload capacity. Stealth isn't just about shape. It's also about emissions control and sensor management. The J-35 incorporates an internal weapons bay, a feature synonymous with stealth aircraft. This allows the jet to keep its payload hidden from enemy detection, maintaining its low observability profile even when armed to the teeth. Strike configuration, it can carry guided munitions, air-to-air missiles, and precision bombs within its internal bay, providing a formidable arsenal without compromising its stealth capabilities. However, when stealth isn't a priority, such as during training or in less contested airspace, the J-35 can utilize additional external hardpoints to carry more munitions or support various mission types. This flexibility showcases the aircraft's versatility and adaptability, making it a potent force in diverse combat scenarios. The choice of weapons for the J-35 reflects China's growing prowess in military technology. Missiles like the PL-15, known for their long-range capabilities and precision, are likely to be a mainstay. These air-to-air missiles are designed to engage enemy fighters and bombers, providing the J-35 with a significant edge in beyond visual range engagements. Complementing the PL-15s will be the PL-10, a short-range infrared missile specializing in quick engagements and dogfights. This combination of long-range and short-range missiles equips the J-35 to dominate the skies regardless of the situation. Additionally, the J-35 is expected to carry smart ground attack munitions, showcasing its multi-role capability. These munitions leverage advanced guidance technology to navigate complex battle spaces, ensuring accurate strikes against ground targets. This blend of offensive weaponry underscores the J-35's role as a comprehensive air superiority fighter and its capacity to perform diverse missions effectively. The J-35 wouldn't be complete without a cutting-edge avionics suite. Leading the charge is the aircraft's onboard radar, which is anticipated to be a top-tier active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar system, developed by the Nanjing Research Institute. The radar is expected to be an evolution of the KLJ series and is designed to track multiple aerial and surface targets with high resolution and accuracy. This is crucial for air superiority operations, allowing the J-35 to monitor the airspace for potential threats and respond accordingly. Furthermore, the radar is equipped to handle electronic countermeasures, demonstrating the J-35's capability to operate in contested environments where adversaries might attempt to jam or deceive radar systems. Adding to its sensor array, the J-35 is also expected to integrate distributed infrared sensors and an electro-optical targeting system. This system, akin to the EOTS found on the F-35, enables passive tracking of aerial targets and provides high-precision targeting for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. This blend of radar and infrared sensors offers the J-35 unparalleled situational awareness, ensuring it can identify and engage targets even in adverse weather conditions or when facing aircraft that employ radar-reflecting materials to evade detection. The cockpit of the J-35 embodies the modern trend toward glass cockpit designs. This means the pilot is presented with a single large panoramic display that integrates a multitude of flight and combat systems. Voice command integration reduces pilot workload, allowing for more efficient operation of the aircraft's systems. Additionally, the incorporation of augmented reality in the interface enhances situational awareness by providing real-time information on the surrounding airspace, including potential threats and friendly units. The J-35 is also expected to be compatible with helmet-mounted displays, further expanding the pilot's field of view and enabling precise targeting. This technology allows for launching air-to-air missiles at high off-bore sight angles, increasing the J-35's effectiveness in close-quarters combat. One of the standout features of the J-35 is its emphasis on networking capability. China envisions the J-35 as a key node within its integrated battlefield concept. This means the aircraft is designed to seamlessly share data with a variety of platforms, including unmanned aerial vehicles, ships, satellites, and ground forces. In a tactical scenario, this could mean relaying target information from a drone to a JX-35, which could then engage the target with precision-guided munitions. This kind of interconnectivity transforms the J-35 from a solitary fighter jet into a hub of a dynamic combat network. The J-35 Flying Shark is not just a response to the U.S. Navy's presence in the region. It's also a symbol of China's growing ambition on the world stage. With its advanced capabilities, the J-35 is poised to play a pivotal role in China's defense and diplomacy. It serves as a reminder of China's rapid technological advancement and its determination to secure its interests in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. As the J-35 takes to the skies from Chinese aircraft carriers, it carries with it the hopes and aspirations of a nation on the rise. The shark has indeed evolved, and it's coming for a bite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fascinating content like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.